Hey everyone! In this video we're going to take a look at how to turn your Simplebooklet into a high quality video using the video export tool. With just a few clicks you can create an MP4 file complete with page flips, sound, and narration. Perfect for sharing on social media, email, or embedding on your website. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to scroll to the booklet that we want to turn into a video. Once we've found it, we're going to select the Share button. From here, we're going to head over to the link management section, and we're going to look for the video camera icon. This will open the video export tool, where we can customize our video settings. From the Create tab, we can decide what device we want the video to be optimized for. We can customize the page transition delay. So this is how long each page stays on the screen before flipping. If your pages have narration, they'll stay open until the audio finishes. We can decide whether we want to include sound in our video, like page flips and narration. We can also decide if we want to include a title and link credits at the end of our video. Once we're happy with our selections, you can select Create Video. This will generate the video. It might take a few moments depending on the length of your booklet. Once your video is ready, you'll see a preview on the right-hand side. Play through it to make sure everything looks and sounds just right. If you need to make changes, you can go back and adjust your settings. Once you're happy with the final result, you can head over to the Download tab on the left-hand side. From here, you'll see options to download both the mobile and desktop versions of your video in MP4 format. Now you're ready to share your Simplebooklet video wherever you need. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.